x to the fourth plus 2x squared plus 10 divided by x minus 2. We don't have an x to the third or an x. So whenever you divide these, you'll have x minus 2 divided by x to the fourth plus 0x to the third plus 2x squared plus 0x plus 10. First thing you do is you take x to the fourth divided by x. You have the x right there and that. And you'll put x to the third right here. Then you'll take x to the third times x minus 2, which will give you positive x to the fourth plus, minus 2x to the third. This will have to become a positive, and then this will become a negative. So these two cancel out. And then you are left with 2x to the third. You bring down your positive 2x to the second, and you'll do it over again. So you'll have 2x to the third divided by x, which leaves you with 2x to the second. 2x to the second times x will give you 2x to the third. And 2x to the second times negative 2 will give you negative 4x to the second. Well, that's going to become a positive, and that's going to become a negative. So these two will cancel out, and then you'll be left with 6x squared. And bring down your plus 0x. Then you do 6x squared divided by x, which will give you a positive 6x. And 6x times x squared is 6x squared. And negative 2 times 6x will give you negative 12x. This will become a positive, this will become a negative. You cancel these two out. And then you are left with 12x. Bring down your positive 10. And you do 12x divided by x. And you are left with 12. Then you do 12 times x, which will give you 12x. And then you have 12 times negative 2, which will give you negative 24. That becomes positive, that becomes negative. And then you cancel those two out, and you are left with a remainder of 34. So your answer ends up being x to the third plus 2x squared plus 6x plus 12 with a remainder of 34.
Go.
Okay, so we're going to do the same problem that we just did, but with short division. So you're still missing your x to the third, and you're missing your x. So right here you have a 1, have 0 here, 1 here, and you have a 2, you have a 0, and you have 10. What you do, take this, since this is a negative, you put a positive 2 over here. Since you have 1 there, you put 1, that's a 0, that'll be 2, you have 0, and you have 10. Bring the 1 down,